How to fix screen keeps dimming on Android. Hello everyone, if you are facing this kind of issue where the screen keeps on dimming on your Android, then follow these steps. Firstly, open settings on your device. In settings, scroll down. Look for the option called display. Inside display, you will see a section called brightness. Under that, make sure that the option adaptive brightness is turned off. You can even manually adjust your brightness. Now in this same page, you can scroll down. When you do that, then you will find an option called screen timeout. Right now, as you can see that my screen time is set to be 1 minute. After 1 minute, my device will sleep. Make sure that you set the timer for 2 minutes or 5 minutes. Now go back to your previous page. On your settings main page, scroll down and tap on battery. At the top of this page, you will see an option called power saving. Make sure that the power saving option is turned off. Now in your settings, you need to reset Wi-Fi settings. Go to the search bar on your settings. In the search bar, type in reset. Tap on the first option, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. When you do that, then you will land to this page. Now select the desired option and reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.